Hey guys, so here's the makeup tray for the next week. Let's dive right in. Over here we have the new Tattoo Studio brow pencil from Maybelline. It's the one that has like the 3 different points to it, so I'm curious to see how that works. We have some Oh My Glosses from Rimmel. I've never tried their glosses, so we'll see how those are. Some SPF from Neutrogena. This is their Hydro Boost. I love their Hydro Boost lotions and gels, so I'm hoping that I also enjoy this sunscreen under everything. This Neutrogena Healthy Skin makeup, I've tried the Maybelline Healthy Skin, and I really love it, so I'm curious to see how this compares to that. And here we have a multivitamin booster, so I guess this is like a primer with hyaluronic acid from Neutrogena. Obviously Neutrogena has some things that I'm curious to try, so we'll be giving them a try. Laura Geller sent me this An Eye for Glamour 2-piece kit. I've been wanting to try the Lash Boss mascara for a while now. I've heard good things. So we will see how that one works out. Pixi sent me some things recently. We have the Pat Away Concealing Base and the Glowy Gossamer Duo. This looks beautiful. It's like champagne and rose gold. Can't wait to try those. The Milani Luminoso blush that everyone has been talking about, I am finally going to give a try. This is a new brand at CVS, and once I saw the display, I had to pick up some. So we have a powder, a mascara, a lip ink, and an ink corrector concealer. And finally, we have the Burgundy Bar from Maybelline. I haven't seen many people talk about this one, but it looks like a beautiful kind of plummy shade palette. So we'll give that a try. So stay tuned for my thoughts and the wrap-up video as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.